I created this realistic AI music video with just one AI tool. Watch this.
Oh yeah, feel the fire tonight. Yeah, yeah, yeah. When the shadows pulled me down, I was lost without a sound. Then the music found my soul. Now I'm finally letting go. Ooh, underneath the lights, 'cause every heartbeat feels so right. Now we shining through the dark. We shine, shooty light, I am. We shine, I am me down to.
In this video, I'll show you exactly how to create a professional, realistic music video like this. You can use this method to create any type of music video, whether it's pop, rock, hip-hop, Afrobeat, or any other genre. The process stays the same. Once you understand the workflow, you can adapt it to any style and bring your music to life with realistic visuals. With this method, you have full control over how the character moves and behaves. It's not just about generating a video, you can precisely direct the performance, including facial expressions, body movements, gestures, timing, emotions, and overall behavior. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe because there are lots of videos here that would help you. So we are going to be using Keoo AI to do this. We'll use Keoo AI for the music generation, cinematic character image creation, and the full AI music video production process, including the performance animation and lip sync. Then, once everything is generated, we'll move into the final editing process, arranging the clips, adding transitions, enhancing the cinematic look, and exporting the final polished music video. Before we start generating anything, the first thing we need to understand is the type of music we want to create. You need to know your taste in music, whether it's Afrobeat, emotional pop, trap, cinematic, reggae, or any other style. In this video, we will be creating an Afrobeat music. Have the full idea in your head first. Think about the mood, the energy, the visuals, and the kind of performance you want your music video to have. This step is very important because the music style will influence everything else, from the character design and environment to the camera movement, lighting, and the overall cinematic feel of the final video. After signing up on Keoo AI, click on Idea Lab on the left side of the website, then select Music Generation. Next, set your model to Suno. For this tutorial, I'll be using the prompt provided below. Keep in mind that there are two sections, one for the music prompt and another for the lyrics. Don't worry, all the prompts used in this video will be shared on my Discord channel so you can try them out yourself. All you need to do is paste the music prompt and lyrics, then click Generate to create your music. Once the music has been generated, listen to it carefully to see if it matches the exact vibe and style you want. If it doesn't, you can always regenerate until you get the perfect result. The next step is creating the character image that will be used in the music video. Now, if you check the prompt used to create the music, you'll notice it already defines the vibe, emotion, and style we want the character to portray. You'll discover that the character we need to generate is a male character. Click on Idea Lab again, then select New Idea Lab and choose Image Generation. Set your model to Nano Banana Pro, currently one of the best image generation models available. It understands and accurately portrays the exact imagination and emotion described in your prompt. Set the aspect ratio to 16:9 since we're creating a music video for YouTube, then leave the resolution at 4K for clean cinematic quality output. For the number of outputs, you can choose any amount you prefer, but I'll be using 2 outputs so I can compare both results and select the best one. Here is the prompt I used. This prompt is very important in character image generation because it gives the AI a complete visual direction of what you want to create, instead of leaving it to guesswork. First, it clearly defines the character identity and style. A stylish young African man with a luxury, modern fashion sense. This ensures the model focuses on the right gender, appearance, and personality. Second, it describes the environment and mood in detail. Infinity pool, golden hour sunset, ocean, mountains, and cliffs. This sets the cinematic and emotional tone, which is essential for a music video character that needs to feel premium and visually appealing. Third, it includes camera and photography details like Sony a7R IV, 85mm lens, shallow depth of field, and cinematic composition. These instructions help the AI generate a more realistic, film-like image instead of a flat or cartoonish result. Finally, the mention of lighting, realism, and ultra-detailed quality, 8K, skin texture, shadows, warm tones, pushes the model toward high-end visual refinement. This level of detail is what gives the image a professional, editorial fashion photography look. In short, the level of detail in the prompt is what transforms a simple character idea into a cinematic, high-quality, realistic music video visual instead of a random or low-quality output. We'll be using 3 variations of the same character image, but in different scenes and outfits to maintain character consistency throughout the music video. All you need to do is upload the first generated image back into the same model, then clearly describe in the prompt the type of scene, outfit, pose, and environment you want the character to appear in. For mine, I use this prompt. For the second image generation, you'll follow the same process again. Upload the previous character image, change the scene and outfit in the prompt, while maintaining the same character consistency. And just like that, your AI music video is already starting to come to life. Here's the prompt I used. You can see the level, "not what I wanted" in the prompt. This will give you that perfect result you want to achieve. So whenever you're generating anything, always ensure your prompt is highly detailed, because the level of detail plays a very important role in the quality and accuracy of the final output. Now that we've generated the music, audio, and the character image, the next step is to animate the still image into a video where the character performs the song with accurate lip sync and realistic movement. Don't worry, the whole process is easy to follow and stress-free. The model we'll be using in Keoo AI is Cdance 2Fast 720p, which is excellent for lip sync and musical movement. Also, keep in mind that we don't just pick models randomly or use them blindly. Proper research is always done to select the best model for each specific generation task. As usual, you need to properly set up the entire process before clicking Generate. After selecting your model, set the duration to 15 seconds since we're creating a 30-second music video, which means we'll generate 4 clips and later merge them together. Set the aspect ratio to 16:9, keep the resolution at 1K, and choose just one output. Next, upload your reference image, the character image you generated earlier. You'll also see an option for video, but ignore it. Then go to the audio section and upload the first 5-second audio clip. Now, the video prompt is very important for achieving perfect lip sync. Make sure you include the lyrics of that first 5 seconds directly in the prompt. Many people overlook this step, which is why they end up with poor mouth movement that doesn't match the song. Adding the lyrics helps the model understand exactly what the character is supposed to say, rather than just vibing to the beat. So I added the lyrics and hit generate.
When the shadows pulled me down, I was lost without a sound. Then the music found my soul. Now I'm finally letting go. Ooh, ooh. We come alive into the night, dancing underneath.
But for this second clip, I will put a lot of details to the prompt. I uploaded the reference image as usual, added the lyrics, and also included a video prompt that contains different camera angles. This is the prompt I used. Using multiple shot angles is important because it makes the video feel more dynamic, cinematic, and professional. It prevents the scene from looking flat or repetitive and adds visual variety that keeps the viewer engaged. Different angles also help emphasize emotion, performance energy, and presence, making the music video feel more realistic and high quality. Then you hit generate and allow Cdance perform the magic for you.
Underneath the lights, every heartbeat feels so right. Now we shining through the dark. We shine, shooty light, I am. We shine, I am, need down to earth.
So I follow the same procedure for the third and fourth video clip. Set the aspect ratio, adjust the number of outputs, and configure all the required settings. Then add your lyrics to the prompt again, and also include the video prompt with the different camera angles. Once you do this, you'll be able to create a full music video production powered entirely by AI, without needing expensive equipment, a cast, or a production crew. Since we've gotten video clips, head over to any video editor to merge them together and complete the final edit. Import all the clips you generated in order, from the first scene to the last, making sure the lip sync matches the lyrics. Then add your music audio track and mute the original audio from the video clips. And before publishing your video, if you notice any slight awkward body movement, there is an amazing feature in Keoo AI that allows you to control and refine the character's motion. This feature enhances the video and adds a more professional, polished feel to it. You can find it in the App section at the top left corner of Keoo AI. Click on it, search for Motion Control, upload your video and character image, and boom, just like that, it automatically improves and perfects the motion for you. And that's it. You've successfully gone from idea to a complete music video. From generating your audio, designing your character, animating with lip sync, editing multiple shots, and refining motion, you've basically built a complete music production pipeline without expensive equipment or a full production team. Now it's your turn to experiment, improve your prompts, and create even better visuals and sound as you get more comfortable with the process. The more detailed and intentional your inputs are, the more professional your final output will become. All the prompts used in this video will be shared in the Discord channel for you to access. The link is in the description of this video. If you still haven't subscribed to this channel, subscribe. There are lots of videos here that would help you create better content. Drop a comment and tell me what type of music video you'd like to create. Watch the next video showing on your screen.